Now, the next thing I'm going to cover here is how to actually open a Webull account. Now, this doesn't require my phone, so I'm going to take that off the screen here, but opening a Webull account is a very straightforward process. So if you use the link down below, like I said earlier, you're going to get 2 free stocks just for signing up. But the process for signing up is very, very simple. So you're going to download the app from the App Store, whether you have Google Play or the iOS App Store. You're going to find the app there, you're going to download it. From there, what you're going to do is create an account. And in order to do that, you're going to need to give them some information about you. So that includes your full name, your birthday, your social security number, potentially your employer, and basically just some personal information about yourself. Now, a lot of people might be wondering, like, why do I got to give Webull my social security number? Why do I got to give them my birthday? Why do I got to give them this personal information? And the reason for that is that Webull needs to report your gains and your investment activity to the IRS, okay? Because the IRS is very concerned about fraud and about illegal things happening. And one of the places where illegal stuff tends to happen is with investments. So Webull needs to report that information to the IRS. And the way that they do that is by collecting your information and then sending the IRS some tax forms at the end of the year that kind of says, hey, this person invested in an account and this is kind of what happened. So the IRS kind of knows what's going on. So they need that information about you in order to verify that. Now, in terms of the security here, Webull is a very secure platform. Some of the apps out there have actually experienced hacks. I mean, Robinhood's faced some hacks in the past, but Webull has yet to experience, fingers crossed, knock on wood, any significant hacks. So far their systems have proved to be pretty secure. They've grown very quickly to over 10 million users, and so far no huge issues to show for it. So that's a pretty promising sign, but they also do use some very high-tech encryption and cryptography software to make sure that any hackers would have a very difficult time getting a hold of your personal information.